Good morning, students. Now, yesterday's session we solved the practice set 1.1 by the elimination and substitution method. So now in this session I am going to explain you about the graph of linear equation in two variable. In the introduction I already explained you about that when you are plotting the graph of the plotting the graph on of linear equation, you will get the straight line. Same way this PPT also showing to you same that the graph of linear equation in two variable is a straight line. The ordered pair represent the point on that line. Okay, now listen. With one example I will explain you how to plot the graph, even how to calculate this coordinate. How to calculate this coordinate, that also I will explain you. Which coordinate? 0, 6, 3, 0, 1, 4, 2, 2. How to calculate, that also I will explain you. Now see, this is the graph of this equation 2x plus of y is equal to 6. Okay, these are the coordinate. How calculating this coordinate? See, now the solution. What is the equation? Again I am showing to you 2x plus y is equal to 6. Same equation I am using here, 2x plus y is equal to 6. Now if you are seeing that after isolating this equation, y is equal to 6 minus of 2x. This 2x is shifting toward the right side. It become a minus 2x. Now, substitute the value of any one variable, you will get the value of another variable. Now, yx is equal to 0. Listen student, when you are calculating the pair of points by using the linear equation, you can choose any value for one equation. Here I choose x is equal to 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. These 4 different value I choose here. Okay, that you can do orally in your mind. Which one is the simple? That value you have to choose. Means the answer should come in a whole number, integer. Okay, now see, look towards this equation. Y is equal to 6 minus of 2x. So if x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 6 minus 2 into 0. 6 minus 2x. 2x is 0. Therefore 6 minus 2 into 0. So y is equal to 6 minus 0. Y is equal to 6 is the solution. Means when your value of x is 0, y is 6. Similarly, if x is 1, now instead of 0, you have to substitute the value of x is equal to 1. What you will get? Y is equal to 6 minus of 2. So y is equal to 4. Now the third value what I took? Here I place here x is equal to 2. 6 minus 2 into 2 is 4. So here y is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 2. Means 0, 6, 1, 4, 2, 2. And last one is that when x is equal to 3, and always remember that when you are finding out the points, a minimum 4 point you have to find out. Okay, so x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 6 minus 2 in bracket 3, that is 0. Means when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 0. So see here, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2 and 3, 0. See, 0, 6, 3, 0, 1, 4 and 2, 2. These are the points. Okay friends, and how to plot? Now see, look towards the graph. First point is 0, 6, means 0 coordinate of x axis and 6 coordinate of y axis. Second point is 1, 4, 1 of x axis and 4 of y axis. Then third point is 2, 2. X coordinate is 2, y coordinate is also 2. And fourth is 3, 0. So x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 0. So by using the ruler, by using scale, you can draw the line which is passing through this 4 point. Sometimes a question asks, this is a linear equation or not? How to find out? By the graphical method. Simply find out the 4 coordinate, plot on the graph. If the line, a straight line will come, the graph will come a straight line, means a line is passing through 4 points, then only it is a linear equation, else not. Okay, see here also I plot. See here, same here, 0, 6, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 2 and 3 comma 0. Now steps to follow. How to draw the graph for linear equation in two variable. There are simple steps are there. First one is find at least 4 ordered pair for the given equation. Whatever the equation is given, according to that equation you have to find out the 4 ordered pair. In the last question just I explain you now how to find out the points. 4 ordered pair means what? That 0 comma 6 one pair, is it? 1 comma 4 that is a second pair, then 2 comma 2 that is the third pair, and 3 comma 0 is the fourth pair. Okay, next after finding the 4 pair, draw the x-axis and y-axis. How to draw the x-axis and y-axis, that also you know very well, and plot that point on the graph. After plotting the point, see that all 4 points lie on the same line, means lie on the same straight line. If it is there, by using the ruler you can draw the line which is passing through that 4 point. So these are the simple 4 steps are there. You have to note down in your notebook. Now a very important, this is the key points related to your linear equation. It can be concluded that for a linear equation in two variable, every point on a line will be a solution to the given equation. Every point. It is not compulsory means only 4 points. Other than 4 points also. On a line, how many points are there? Infinite. So every point on a line will be the solution of a given simultaneous equation. If every solution of the equation will be a point on a line, or if you are finding the another solution means substituting the value of x different, you will get the value of y also different. That is also the solution of given simultaneous equation. It means that that point is on a line. It means that that point is on a line. Now see, in the practice set 1.2 there are some questions they will ask. First question is complete the following table. Tables are given, equations are given to you. You have to complete this table. And another question is there, how to plot the linear equation on a graph. Okay, means how to represent the linear equation graphically. Okay, now how to complete this simple way. Here I explain. Here I explain you. Substitute the value of x, you will get the value of y. Value of x is, it depends on you. You can choose any value. Okay. Now look towards the table. Now complete the following table to draw the graph. Now x plus y is equal to 3 and x minus y is equal to 4. How to find out this? Very simple. When x is equal to 3, substitute here. What is y? 3 minus 3. What is the equation for y here? Y is equal to 3 minus of 3. So what you will get? 0. Then substitute x is equal to minus 2. Means these 3, 5 and 3. These 3 values given. You have to find out. Any one coordinate is given to you. You have to find out the another coordinate. Similar way, x minus y is equal to 4. Any one coordinate is given. Whatever coordinate is given, you have to substitute in this equation and finding out the another coordinate. Now see in this example, one example again. Question second, solve the following simultaneous equation graphically. Okay, now listen beta. X plus y is equal to 6. So after isolating this equation, y is equal to 6 minus of x. Okay, so here you have to consider these are the values. It is not given. You have to prepare the table like this. Consider the value of x. You will get, substitute in the equation. You will get the value of y. Again I am saying, substitute the value of x, different value. This value is not given to you. Just equations are given. How the question will ask? Solve the following simultaneous equation graphically. What is the equation? X plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 4. This is the equation. How to solve this equation? Firstly, isolate the equation. So x plus y is 6. So y is equal to 6 minus of x. Now substitute the x different value. You will get the y different value. I choose here 0, 6, 3 and 4. You can choose another also. So after getting 6 minus 0 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. 6 minus 3 is 3. And 6 minus 4 is 2. So which are the coordinate of the point? 4 different coordinate we got here. Which are 0, 6, 6, 0, 3, 3 and 4, 2. Understood? So after getting these 4 coordinate, plot on the graph. Now listen, see towards the graph. 0, 6. Where it is? 0 x. Firstly draw this x. How to draw? Draw this x axis, then y axis. After drawing the x and y axis, plot this 4 quadrant. Plot these 4 point. Okay. So first point is 0, 6. These 0, 6 is what? These are the coordinate of your point. 0 is your x coordinate and 6 is your y coordinate. Okay. So 0, 6. This is your first point. Now second is 6, 0. So 6, 0 is your here second point. 6, 0 is second point here. Now third is 3, 3. See here 3, 3 is third point. And fourth is 4, 2. So this 4, 2 is here. Now 6, 0, 4, 2, 3, 3 and 0, 6. And by using the ruler, you have to draw the line. In similar way, the equation second. What is the equation second? X minus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to x minus of 4. So substitute the value of x is 0. What is we will get? Value is minus of 4. Is it? 0 minus 4 is minus 4. First x is 4. What is y? 4 minus 4 is 0. Then x is 2. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. And x is 5. Then 5 minus 4 is 1. So which are the coordinate of 4 points? 0, minus 4, 4, 0, 2, minus 2 and 5, 1. Always remember that your first coordinate represent the x-axis and second coordinate represent the y-axis. So y coordinate and x coordinate. Don't be confused. Don't plot this minus 4, 0. This is wrong. This 0, minus 4 means 0 is x-axis. Your x coordinate is 0. And minus 4, where it will come? Downside. See here. 0, minus 4. Always remember that when you are plotting the axis, this quadrant sign should be same. It will not change. Never change. This side positive, this side negative. Upside y-axis is positive coordinate and downside negative coordinate. That is also very important. Scale also you have to mention here. On the both axis, 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Okay. Now this 4, 0. 4, 0 is here. 4 x-axis coordinate, y coordinate is 0. Therefore, it is on which axis? Obviously, x-axis. Then 2, minus 2. 2 is x coordinate and minus 2 means it will come in a fourth quadrant. This also we learn that according to the point, which point is in which quadrant. Okay. And after getting 5, 1, last point. That is a 5, 1. It will come here. And after drawing these, what you will get? You will get a straight line. Now, after drawing this both line, you have to write the solution that in such a way. In how to write? The two line intersect at a point 5, 1. The intersection point of a two line. It is a 5, 1. So, x is 5 and y is 1 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. This we solve by graphically. Elimination and substitution method, you know that. Now you solve by the elimination method and tell you your answer. The answer is 5, 1 or not. You will get the x is 5 and y is 1. So this is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Understood, students, how to plot the graph? Okay. So in this way you have to plot. Means scale should be proper. X-axis, y-axis draw proper. Don't keep a different distance in between the two coordinate. It should be the same. That is 1 unit. And after finding the points, plot the points on the graph and draw the line. After drawing both the line, find out the solution. Solution means what? The intersection point of these two line is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Okay friends, so today I'm stop here. Tomorrow again in the 1.2 so many examples are there. Every example I will explain you. Now again you watch this video, learn properly and draw in a graph. Thank you.